United Airlines completes its last Boeing 747 flight. It sure didn't feel like a curtain call. But that's what it was Tuesday morning at San Francisco International Airport as United Airlines bid farewell to its last Boeing 747. United Flight 747 took off around noon PT, about an hour later than scheduled because of slow boarding and a maintenance delay, departing from Gate 86 after a de facto party among those ticketed on what went into the books as United's last ever passenger flight on the 747. All on board had booked the flight specifically to be on the last 747 departure, a special one-off flight scheduled by United in September to give the famous jumbo jet a proper farewell. It's a grand finale, no question, United CEO Oscar Munoz said from the jet's upper deck just before takeoff. It's a fitting send-off in the most dignified way for the Queen of the Skies. Tickets for the 374-seat jet sold out in hours, despite fares of $550 and up for the one-way flight to Hawaii. I had tea,